Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So I am back today with another video, and today we are going to talk about Barnes and Noble Press. So this is a print-on-demand site that you should be using in 2020, and it's also a review. I have 4 journals to show you guys in this video. 2 are hardcover and the other are paperback, but all 4 of them have been created on Barnes and Noble Press for sale. Well, maybe 2 are for sale. I have sold some of one, and I really push it, but I have shared the link with a few people and they have purchase it. I have not checked my back office since those people have told me they purchased, so I may do that on this video just to show you guys that you can make money from Barnes and Noble Press, no matter if it's a penny, a dollar, a dime, or $500. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, hi, I am here and I'm a real person, not just a voice behind these tutorials and these courses and these videos. A lot of times I'm not dressed. And a lot of times I just want to record and be done. But I am going to try to do better so you guys don't feel like there's just nobody here. And I want to get to know you guys better, and I just want to get dressed a little bit more. The fall months are kind of like my months of depression and just anxiety, and I go into a slumber. So if you see me in the same thing, that's because I need to pump out these videos, and the best way for me to do it with my low energy is to record multiple videos in one day. I have a list of videos that I'm recording for you guys, lots of them, over 20, to keep the momentum going and flowing. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you are notified every time that I release a new video. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the journals. So this is all 4 of the journals. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna put you in the middle of the screen. I don't know if that's better or worse, but here are all the journals here. So 2 are hardcover, and I write in this one the most, but they're both hardcover. So let me show you guys the strategy journal, and I put this little Q on there. I got that from Hobby Lobby years ago when I worked there. On the back it has a barcode, and I put my logo on the back. On the inside, the first sheet is just like a blank sheet. I'm going to tell you guys that their paper is really good quality, like better than KDP quality. I chose the cream interior, and I do write in this journal a lot, so most of the pages have been written on. Okay, so in the back of this book, it has like a barcode here and like that imprint. All right, so I hope this video quality is good because I did buy a new computer to upgrade the quality of my videos. All right, so that's the first hardcover journal. I can't remember. Okay, so this one I did a blank dot grid. So this is the other hardcover, and I designed this whole entire journal. These are fonts that I used in Procreate. Actually, I created this all in Procreate here. And this is the back. And the inside is dot grid. So you guys can see that. How the spine looks there. Okay. And then these are the 2 paperback journals. And here's the strategy journal. It's actually pretty much the same as the other one. It has scriptures about manifestation and then lines where you can write. I did this on white paper though. This one is on white paper, but still the quality of the paper is really good. And they have that same thing in the back too. So I did put my logo on the back here. And just like the first hardcover, here's the paperback. I think these are 5x8s or 6x9s. And I also did Dr. Journal in here. And there's nothing on the back. But these journals are really nice. Like, quality is, whew, I'm trying to tell y'all, the quality of these journals, unmatched. Okay? Unmatched. Unmatched. All right, so I am going to go over to Barnes & Noble Press. Let me bring myself down here so you guys can see. This is the website. Here it just goes over how it works, how you can reach millions, how you can make money, print personal books, and author resources. Of course, with the Barnes & Noble Press, I think it does go to Kindle as well. So that's just basically just an overview of the website. People want to know how much they can make. Here's a little retail ebook royalty thing. They do have some author spotlights. And of course, Barnes & Noble is with Nook. So if you do release even a paperback book, like an actual paperback book with a story, fiction, nonfiction, it will be able to be pushed to Nook. Now, I do know that if you do sign up for KDP Unlimited, I don't believe you can also have your book on Nook. It's been a while, but I just wanted you guys to know that. So I'm going to pause this video and log in to see if I made any money. All right, y'all. I got some change. Not chain of food, but I got some change. So I made $8.46, baby. Okay. Let's see. So I guess those people were honest about purchasing the book. So I sold 3 of my strategy journal in the paperback format, which caused me to make a whole $8.46. Okay, girl, you better do it. I don't know how to get paid though. I might need to check that out. Make sure I got all of my stuff correct, so I could get my $8.46 because I work hard for that. Okay, so if you guys would like to purchase the paperback strategy journal, because in my projects it did say that I have some things that need my attention with the hardcover one, so I think I might need to do this over. So each book has 138 pages. It's 5.5 by 8.5. And this is the other one. I probably did not finish something. Typical me, okay, but I think this is what it costs to buy it, $3. So paperback wise, 120 pages, about the same as KDP. And I am going to do a video of Barnes & Noble versus KDP, so you guys can kind of see what that looks like. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, let me know if you've used Barnes & Noble Press. Are you interested in learning how to set up an account and how to upload a book? Are you interested in seeing a KDP versus Barnes & Noble video so you can compare the quality to see what print-on-demand site you will be choosing in 2020 for your books, journals, and whatever else you decide to publish. And until next time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And until next time again, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.